friends, how's it going? I'm just taking it easy. I'm hanging in there. I have this FLUM float strawberry ice cream. Here's the tube for it. There we go. How it looks, okay? Tastes delicious. Tastes delicious. And it smells delicious. And I have a tea and grill. I just had lunch. It's like a beef fajita salad. It was very good. And I have my Voss water from Ross. Voss from Ross. Yeah, red hot and rolling today. Made a lot of videos. Went outside 3 times. Even if I sit up on my pillows, my blood pressure is a little better. Just chilling and grilling. Ready for the cooler weather. Much cooler. But I thought I'd do a little of this, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I can sleep good and get up early, or get up in the night or whatever. Funny there in my nose. Ooh, I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wait, this one's clean. Wipe my eyes. Made my eyes. Water. Well, now we know it makes me sneeze. Oh, goodness. Poor no. Oh, my eyes watered too. Woo. Good stuff. Oh, I love it. Let's see some more. I think I'm okay. My nose is tickling. I think I'm okay. Let's drink some of this collagen water. Calm down. Well, that ended up being a sneezing video out of nowhere. I love it when it's this natural. This 16 calories per serving, 40 for the whole bottle. It's just slightly flavored. Getting my hydration. Now you know how I sneeze. It'll be a bunch of times in a row. Like pepper will do it, or like cayenne pepper, and a few other things. Pollen. Oh, yeah. There we go. Some good drink. Well, that's a fun video. I put the cat back on. Oh, my poor nose. Ooh. My eyes eyes are so watery. Hold on. Oh, okay, better. Much better. Okay. Strawberry ice cream. Let's go from float. Got that hit of nicotine. Very nice. Mmm. Such a treat. Told you I'd be getting new things for the channel. The channel's fun, isn't it? So much fun, my channel. So much fun. Oh, more nose. Why my nose? Delicious. Okay, let's have a little more tea and then we'll close it out. I think I got enough nicotine. Oh yeah, feeling better. This is so cute. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go. See you later. Bye bye now.